For me, I believe what makes a desk setup looks nice is how clean it is. And one way you can do so is by having a proper cable management. Today I'll show you guys how you can achieve that for very cheap. Hello, my name is Safwan. I'm just another random guy on YouTube trying to help you fix your cable management problems. But anyway, let's get right into it. For this process, you'll need on-the-desk cable management mount by IKEA, Velcro wraps, cable zip ties, a pair of scissors, and some desk wire clips. Step 1 is to install the cable management mount under the desk. After that, use a zip tie to tie the wires together. Make sure you use as much as you can to not leave any wire hanging. Also tuck the wire behind the cable management mount if possible. Use the Velcro for bigger wires and the wire clip for hanging wires. They could also be used to hold your chargers. And lastly, don't forget to use a zip tie on the wires at the back of your PC or the monitor also. So there you have it, quick easy cable management fix. I hope you guys like it, and if you do find value in this content, please consider checking out all the contents. I do videos like this. I also do travel vlogs as well. So check me out, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. One more thing, I would also be doing that setup, like a full desk tour. So look out for that. I'm out of here.